Welcome to NV Online Classroom. Today we will learn Network Plus Basic Chapter 13 IP Addressing and Monitoring Command. In this chapter we learn how to set the IP address in systems and how to monitoring the IP addressing information. Now understand TCP/IP and DHCP protocol. TCP/IP stands for Transmission Control Protocol over Internet Protocol, and DHCP protocol stands for Dynamic Host Control Protocol. Basically, we configure our network with two protocols, TCP/IP and DHCP. In TCP/IP, we assign the IP address information manually, and in DHCP protocol, we system get the IP address automatically from network server. Actually, first of all, we understand how to assign the IP address to our system. Just see on the screen, we perform some step for assigning the IP address in Windows XP. First of all, we open the network place, then select the local area connection and right click on local area connection, then choose the property, and now open the network configuration window and select the internet protocol IP setting and then select the property. Just perform the step on client 1 computer. Just see on the screen, right click on network place, select the property. Now right click on local area connection, select the property. Now open the local area connection setting windows, select the internet protocol and click on property. Now open the TCP/IP properties windows. Just see on the screen, we have one network. A network has two computers, client 1 and client 2. Both computers are communicate with each other. The client 1 computer IP address is 192.168.10.1 and client 2 computer IP address is 192.168.10.2. So here we perform one practical. First of all, we assign the IP address to client 1 computer. IP address is 192.168.10.1 and we assign the IP address to client 2 computer 192.168.10.1. Just see on the screen, we are in client 1 computer. Open the right click on network place, choose the property. Now open the network place connection windows, then select the local area connection. Right click on local area connection, choose the property, then select the TCP/IP, click on property windows. Now open the TCP/IP properties setting windows. Just click on use the following IP options and then type the IP address. Then then set the subnet mask. Class C subnet mask here used. Click on OK button. Now here see the tick mark. Show icon in notification area when connected and notify. Press close button. Now this is the procedure to assign the IP address. Now in client 2 computer we assign the IP address 192.168.10.2. We are in client 2 computer. Right click on network place and select the property. Now right click on local area connection and select the property. Now open the local area connection property window, select the internet protocol and click on property. Now open the TCP/IP property window. Here use the following IP and option button and then type the IP address 10.2. Here set the subnet mask. Here class C subnet mask is used. Press close button. Now we assign the IP address to client 2 computer. Now perform some command. Command see on the screen, ping ipconfig space less all. Using the ping command you can check the communication between the client 1 computer and client 2 computer. Using the ipconfig command you can see the IP configuration information, and using the ipconfig space less all command you can see the IP configuration information with detailed format like system name, MAC address, like physical address for our LAN card. Perform these command run this command on our system. Okay, run this command on XP client 1 computer. First of all, open the run window and run the command cmd, then open the command prompt and now run the command ipconfig. So you can see our IP configuration information and run the command second ipconfig/all. Now you can see the IP configuration information within detail format. Here you can see the computer name, suffix name. You also see the physical address like MAC address, and you also see the DHCP protocol enabled information and IP address and subnet mask information. Here physical address is in 48-bit format. Now we understand ping command. Using the ping command you can check the two system communications. It's working okay or not. We are in client 1 computer and client 1 computer IP address is 192.168.9.1 and we want to check the communication with client 2 computer. Client 2 computer IP address is 192.168.9.2. So we open the run window in client 1 computer and run the command ping with client 2 computer IP address and press OK. Just see on the screen. Now open the windows and we get a reply. So communication is okay. Basically there are reply come in 5 times. If you want, and then close the window automatically. If you want to reply unlimited, just run the ping command with -t option. So the open window send the reply message continuously. If you want to close this window, press Ctrl C.